are watching Kiddos Kaleidoscope.
A is for axe, it chops up the wood. Be careful with it, it's sharp, oh so good. B is for balloon, it floats way up high. Pop it with a pin, it'll shout goodbye. C is for car, zoom fast, vroom, vroom, vroom. Race to the store, then loop round the moon. D is for dolphin, it leaps from the sea. It giggles and clicks, wants you to chase me. E is for egg, it cracks with a snap. Out peeks a chick, it's taken a nap. F is for fairy with sparkles so bright. She turns frogs into princes while you sleep at night. G is for grapes, juicy purple or green. Swish them in toes, it's sticky and mean. H is for hen, she collects eggs, here they come. One rolled off the nest, now where will it run? I is for ink, it spills, oh what luck. Now your nose is blue and your toes are all stuck. J is for jet, it roars through the sky. Pack your pajamas, we're flying up high. K is for kid, they jump, skip, and spin. Eat 6 cupcakes and grin, grin, grin. L is for ladder, climb up to the stars. But watch that last step, it's tricky on Mars. M is for moon, it glows soft at night. Waves at the sun, says turn down your light. N is for necklace, so shiny and cool. Made out of noodles? That's silly, you fool. O is for ostrich, it's tall, can't fly. Buries its head, but it's just saying hi. P is for pig, rolling deep in the mud. This spa is the best, it's just icky brown crud. Q is for quilt, cozy, warm and so snug. Grammar says hush now, no bugs in the rug. R is for rocket, it blasts off the ground. Mars, here we come with the dog driving round. S is for spider, it weaves a fine thread. Catch all the mosquitoes that eat them in bed. T is for tomato, squishy and red. Throw it at dad, now you're in trouble, you've been led. U is for up, reach high, touch the sky. But don't grab a cloud, it'll tickle your eye. V is for violin, sweet melodies play. The cat joins in, sings meow ria. W is for watch, it ticks on your wrist. Time for dessert, that's the part we love best. X is for 6, it's sneaky, you know. Hides in words like 6, so shh, don't let it go. Y is for yarn, knit sweaters with care. The kitten says stop, you've tangled my hair. Z is for zipper, it shuts up your coat. Zip it too fast, now it's stuck on your coat.
All day, carrying crumbs, they're snacking around. B is for bear, big furry paws, climbing a tree, hunting for honey, busy as a bee. C is for cow, munching on grass, mooing out loud, giving us milk, we're happy and proud. D is for dinosaur, stomping feet with a giant roar, swishing his tail, now he wants more. E is for elephant, splashing in water, trunk so long, spraying his friends, sing a silly song. F is for fish, gliding through waves, swishy and quick, darting past coral, watch him flick. G is for gorilla, beating his chest with the thump, 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 swinging on vines, jump, jump, jump. H is for horse, galloping fast, mane flying free, jumping climb the fence. Hey, look at me. I is for insects, buzzing and crawling, 6 tiny feet, fluttering wings, what a colorful treat. J is for jaguar, spotted and sleek, prowling the night, silent and sly, what a powerful sight. K is for kangaroo, hopping so high with the bounce, 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 carrying her baby in a cozy pouch. L is for lamb, soft woolly coat, gentle and mild, bouncing in meadows, such a happy child. M is for mouse, tiny and quick, squeaking, eek, nibbling on cheese, hide and seek. N is for nurse, kind and caring, helping you heal, bandaging boo-boos, how do you feel? O is for orange, juicy and round, sweet to eat, peel it first, what a tangy treat. P is for penguin, waddling slow on ice so cold, sliding on tummies, bold and bold. Q is for quail, feathers so fluffy, quick to hide, nesting in grass, peek outside. R is for rainbow, color so bright, after the rain, red, orange, yellow, say each name. S is for snowman, chilly and round with the carrot nose, melting away when the sunshine glows. T is for turtle, slow on land but speedy in waves, carrying his shell, he's brave, brave, brave. U is for uncle, waving hello with a joke to share, giving big hugs, showing he cares. V is for volcano, rumbling loud, lava burns red, watch it explode, run ahead. W is for wheel, spinning so fast, round and round, on bikes, cars, or soon across town. X is for box, pack it up, tape it tight, fill it with treasures, out of sight. Y is for yo-yo, up and down, zip, 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 doing cool tricks, watch it flip. Z is for zoo, lions, monkeys, parrots too, so many animals waiting for you. We learned A to Z, hip hip hooray, letters and sounds make a fun day.
Juicy and red, crunchy and sweet, a snack instead. B is for ball, bounce it up high, throw it, catch it, touch the sky. C is for cat, purring soft and low, curled up cozy, watch her glow. D is for dog, wagging his tail, fetching sticks, he'll never fail. Clap and sing, move your feet, letters make the world complete. A, B, C, D, dance along with me, learning's fun as it can be. E is for elephant, big and gray, splashing rivers, trumpeting hooray. F is for frog, leaping with a splash, catching flies, a lightning dash. G is for goat, climbing rocks with care, chewing grass with a sideways stare. H is for hippo, wallowing deep, muddy bubbles pop as they sleep. Ooh, 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 ooh. For iguana, basking in the sun, scales like jewels, oh what fun. J is for jaguar, sleek and sly, silent paws as he prowls by. K is for king with the golden crown, ruling the land, never wearing a frown. L is for lion, roar so loud, king of the jungle, mighty and proud. M is for monkey, swinging vine to vine, top tossing bananas, what a funny sight. N is for net, scooping fish from the sea, wave it high, catch 1, 2, 3. Clap and sing, move your feet, letters make the world complete. E, F, G, H, laugh and shout hooray, let's keep learning all the way. O is for octopus, twirling with 8 arms, swirling colors, ocean charms. P is for panda, munching bamboo, black and white, saying how do you do. Q is for queen, waving with grace, riding a carriage to her palace place. R is for rabbit, hopping so quick, nose a twitch, ears do a flick. S is for swan, gliding serene, feathers white like a snowy dream. T is for tiger, stripes bold and bright, pouncing shadows in the moonlight. U is for umbrella, twirl it round and round, raindrops dance, pitter-patter sound. V is for van, zooming down the street, honking loud, beep beep, what a treat. W is for watermelon, green outside, red within, slice it up, let the feast begin. X is for fox, clever and sly, tiptoe quietly, watch him glide by. I is for yak, shaggy and warm, climbing mountains through the storm. Z is for zebra, racing so free, stripes like shadows under a tree. Now we've learned from A to Z, shout your name, that's me. Letters, words, a world to see. Come back soon and sing with me.
Subscribe for a kaleidoscope of joy. Let the adventure begin.